Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Fei Fei.
And I'm Roy.
What are you doing? There are keys everywhere. What is that noise?
Sorry, I was just cutting some keys. It turns out that I've been doing my job wrong all these years.
Ah, I know what happened. Neil called you to say you're not a key worker, right?
Exactly. All this time at the BBC and I hadn't cut a single key. I'm lucky Neil was so forgiving. He had no idea what to say when I told him I'd start cutting keys.
I'm not surprised he didn't know what to say. A key worker is someone who provides an essential service, like a doctor or nurse.
Yep, that's more logical. I get confused sometimes.
You do. Let's listen to these examples while you get rid of those keys.
My friends Jorge and Zdenka are both key workers. They do the amazing job of teaching kids. Michiko is a key worker, but her class is closed at the moment due to the outbreak of the virus. Key workers need to have easy access to their places of work during the coronavirus crisis.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the expression key worker. This refers to a person who is seen to give an essential service or have an important role, such as a teacher, doctor, or nurse.
That's right. Key in this expression relates to vital or important, not to keys that open locks.
Correct, and it's been quite a common expression during the coronavirus pandemic. People have been talking about the importance of key workers being able to do their jobs during a world crisis.
That's right. In fact, I could say it's been a key point of discussion. I really respect the amazing jobs that people like doctors, nurses, emergency service staff, and teachers do.
Yes, me too. One thing though, Roy, how much did you spend on that key cutting machine?
Enough to say, please don't tell my wife, she'll be really angry? Do you want me to cut you a new key?
No, I don't want to encourage you. Bye, Roy.
Bye.